happened here over and over.
Have you?
I have, and I told you not to leave your training stuff all over the place. Remember?
Is that right? But I use this stuff daily.
Clearly. Look at how gross the floor is. Stop! What?
Bitch, fuck up my face, I'm with that talk and let it spray. Fuck what you gotta say, you got a problem, let it bang. Bitch, keep that energy, come outside.